I'm going fishing. This is been looking forward to this. Is a new fishing spot that I've never been to. I've always wanted to try. Introduce yourself. You're kind of new to being on my channel here.
Yeah, I'm Cade. I'm Brian's first cousin once removed.
I was trying to figure that out earlier, if it was a shirt tail cousin or how that works.
Yeah.
But we're going to the coast. We're leaving out of Dallas, so probably take us about an hour to get there. The Siletz River is kind of the primary river that goes into the ocean. How many fish are we gonna catch?
As many as we catch.
Woo!
That's the right answer.
Good day. Yesterday, not so much. Today, redemption.
Ooh, wow, look at that. It's a nice fish.
Did you guys limit?
He did.
Good one, huh?
Yeah, that's nice.
He had the hot rod today. You're getting that
Weighed
shit
about
over your
25
shoes.
pounds, and we never even had a hit. And we were fishing our way back to coming here
Yeah.
when it hit.
Okay. Are you out more in the bay? Any fish in here, do you think? Or it'd be better to go down the river
the
ways?
tide's coming in, so the fish should be, or supposedly they're coming in. This one is just right out of the ocean.
Yeah.
And so,
I think that's the one I hooked earlier.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to record a little bit here. All right, everybody, I'm standing on this dock, and we are on the Siletz River. This is a little campground slash boat landing called Coyote Rock. All right, boys and girls, we're a little bit of a goat trail to get down here. You see, this is a steep little trail I came down from the highway on the Siletz in a fancy little spot that I don't even know the name of it. We're gonna cast out and see if we can catch something with this spinner. If no spinner action, then we're gonna go try some bobber and egg and see if that works. Alright, so I've been seeing fish jump here and here and here, right out in the middle. I figure maybe they just don't like the spinner I'm throwing. The hard part about spinner fishing is it's kind of hard. Oh, see that one? That one just jumped right there. Throw it in right over here. It's real close there. This is actually a really fun little spot. Any luck yet? Yes, they're encouraging us so that we know that you're there. It's this cast right here. I'm gonna catch it. I'm gonna be patient and let it sink all the way down until it's bumping the bottom. I know. Alright, everybody. So, got a little bit of a pointer from somebody that's fished here before. He said that it's about 20 to 30 feet deep right out in front of me, so I had to adjust my bobber stop just to get it down where it's touching bottom. The only way to do that was to get rid of the mono that I had. So, I'm reeling up the bobber stop. fishing like just right there. It's a good choice. Yeah, it wasn't a fish. No shaky. I keep breaking off my hooks. Barnacle Bill, money. Oh. Why do you say that? Are you getting me all like wanting to stay again? You're toying with me.
Let's go get some food, Brian.
Huh? Oh yeah, we're done.
Limit it out?
Yeah.
No, good try.
On patience.
We're gonna go try somewhere else.
The thing is, you're not fishing deep enough.
Yeah.
You need to be, it's 20 feet deep for the fish out here.
Have you fished here much?
Oh yeah.
You know how to do it? Like, could I watch and see what I'm doing wrong for a few minutes?
I use a bobber.
That's what I just said over there. And I've been like 25 feet deep on it.
I would probably go to like 20, 15 even. Maybe in between there. Try that. It's low tide. Yep, it's gonna come back in a minute.
Maybe it's a mistake for us to leave. Yeah.
After everyone's been catching them.
Okay, let's see here. Like that. I got this. He came down right by that root ball.
Yeah, he did.
Might be worth looking at. Yeah, I think so. It ain't bad at all. We just had to go the hard way.
We'll have to see.
Is it unlocked? Oh, hang on. There you go. Well, at least you're all dry now, huh?
Yeah.
For a little while.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody. We are at Leaking City. We're fishing for salmon. And we're gonna see if we can catch some. Alright, so we're going to do mono and braid, tying one to the other. So you come up through here, and then you wrap it 5 wraps. Okay, so we're gonna go once, twice, 3, 4, and 5. And then you keep wrapping, but you come back towards this loop here. Same direction, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4,